Hey guys, welcome back to your girl's channel. It is Dominique here, and I am here to give you guys a new video as promised. I'm not for sure when I'm going to be dropping videos, but as of right now, I am dropping as many as I can. But I'm really trying to aim for Tuesdays and Fridays to drop videos because them are my chill days kinda, and I'm not running the streets like I used to, so you know. There might be the days that I'll be dropping videos. I kind of like them days in a way. What you think? Leave a comment below and tell me what you think about Tuesdays and Fridays about dropping new videos, okay? Today, this video is about me unboxing. Yes, unboxing. I decided to buy me something because it is something that I really, really need. Well, I actually didn't buy it for myself. Someone gifted me this product and I am so thankful for it. Because I needed it. I thought about buying it for myself, and then I thought about buying myself a pair of new shoes. I thought about buying it for myself, and then I thought about buying me some Chick-fil-A. So, you know, I guess I never bought it. But I am very appreciative that this person thought about me to actually go out and buy it for me because they know I'm full of shit. So, as you can see, your girl did her hair a little bit, you know, even put on a little bit of makeup and a little bit of lipstick. I like to do makeup. And now that everyone knows that I like to do makeup, everyone has been so supportive. This is where I'm at right now. I am unboxing something that I needed for my business, my future business, my second income, should I say. Yes, second income. You know, you need more than one because if you just on one, you'll be living paycheck to paycheck. And who wants to do that? Who wants to cry themselves to sleep? You know, we fake it till we make it. And here go this damn chair. I just realized why I don't like sitting in this chair when I'm doing a video. It squeaks. Most of the time, if you ever see me or when you come to my channel and you watch my videos, I'm going to be a little dolled up because I do my own makeup. And I'm going to show y'all what I was working with before I got my new makeup case. Just bear with me, okay? I'm going to explain a little bit about my backstory of this makeup case before we go boom, all out. When I first started, it was only me doing my face. I wasn't doing anyone else's. I wasn't doing clients. I wasn't taking on family and friends, nothing like that, because I felt like I wasn't ready yet to even do or try to do other people's faces. And I just was like, nah. We're not doing it this year. We are breaking barriers. Yes, that's what we're doing. So this little makeup case right here that I have behind my chair, let me move my chair out the way a little bit. You see, it's so small, but it got the job done. So don't get me wrong. I enjoyed it, but it's falling apart now. I'm just adding a whole bunch of stuff. I'm not really like caring about it as much as I used to because I done accumulated so much more makeup to the point where it's not even funny, and I had to go and get something bigger to hold most of it. Like, I started to get so much makeup and so many gift cards to different makeup stores that I had to add shelves to my wall in my room just to add makeup on top of them. And it's just like too much. So I went on Amazon. I seen a makeup case that I felt like maybe would be the perfect fit for me. And ta-da! It is, but it's right here. And I'm planning on unboxing that for you guys. So stay tuned. Like, this is how big this box is. And this is just me like sitting and kneeling down next to it. And I can't find my scissors, so I'm going to use these. this bad boy heavy as hell. Wow. Can y'all tell I'm excited? I'm not good when it comes to building anything. Whew. So this is like this. Did Amazon give me more than what I bargained for? Huh? Let's see. Oh. What? I'm excited. I have so much space and so much storage. Hey guys, as you can see, I done already unboxed my makeup kit and I am so excited about it because I feel like this is going to hold all of my makeup. Like, it has so many different storages, so many different departments. I'm just overwhelmed right now because I can kind of like toss my little one out, like, and just add to my new kit. So if you like this video, comment below, give it 2 thumbs up, subscribe. You already know what I'm going to say, so stay tuned. Mwah. Oh, y'all still here? God damn it.
To the party like